Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Vivon Education. Today we are going to discuss about a median. In previous class we discussed about a mode. If you missed that class, I given link in description, you can check that one. So today our topic is about median. So again once we will recall what is the meaning of median. So median means the middlemost value. Middlemost value of the observations is known as the median. Okay, so to find the median, first of all we had to arrange the given data in a order, nothing but you can arrange in ascending order or descending order. After arranging the given data in ascending order or descending order, we had to find the median. Okay, to find the median we having two methods. So according to the number of observations, either it is even or odd, then we had to solve that one. Suppose if the given number of observation n is odd means what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that. If a number of observations is odd, then we have the formula n plus 1 by 2. So n plus 1 by 2 the term will be the median of the observations. Okay, second case is about if the number of observations is even. If even, then we have the formula n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1, nothing but average of these two will be the median of the given data. Okay, so based upon number of observations, either it is even or odd, we had to solve that one. So this is for what? Ungrouped data. Okay, by taking some examples we'll understand this one. So I'm taking an example as suppose I'm taking a data, suppose 5, 10, 8, 16, 7. Okay, just for simple data I'm saying find a median for this data. So what's the condition? First we had to arrange the given data in order, nothing but I'm catching here ascending order, nothing but small numbers to big numbers. So 5, 7, 8, 10 and 16. Now count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here number of observations, how much here? 5. 5 is an odd number. So if the number of observations is odd, what the formula we are having here? N plus 1 by 2. So n plus 1 by 2, this implies n means here what is it? 5. 5 plus 1 by 2, nothing but 6 by 2 and 2 ones are 2 threes are. So the third observation is the median of the data. Here 1, 2, 3. Yes, so 8 is the median of the given data. Okay, so this is about the odd. So when given even, so suppose I'm taking an example like 10, 5, 80, 60, 25, 30. Okay, just I'm taking an example like this. So what the first step? We had to arrange the data in a order. I'm taking the ascending order. So 5, 10, 25, 30, 60 and 80. Okay, now how many observations are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is equal to 6 is an even number. So while get the even number, we having formula n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1. Then we have to find the average. Yes. So what is it here? 6 by 2. Nothing but n by 2 first I'm finding. N by 2 is equals to 6 by 2. Nothing but 2 ones are 2 threes are. So third observation and what? N by 2 plus 1. N by 2 we got here 3. So 3 plus 1 how much? 4. So third and fourth observations. Third observation and fourth observation is the median of the data. Check it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing but how much we'll get here? 25 comma 30. 25 comma 30 is the median. But when you got the even number, you had to find the average. So nothing but average, how will you find the a plus b by 2? Nothing but 25 plus 30 by 2. Nothing but 55 by 2. So 2 27s are 54.1 means 0. 1 0 10, 5 is 10. So 27.5 times 55 by 2 indicates how much? 27.5. So therefore the median of the data is how much? 27.5. So this is for what? Ungrouped data. Okay, this is what for ungrouped data. So next our topic is about the 4 marks question is about grouped data. How will you find the median of grouped data? Okay, so to find the median of grouped data, we have the formula median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Formula. So the formula of median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So maybe you will have the chance to get a 2 marks question. Expand each term in a median formula. So what indicates L, N, CF, F and H. So first we'll see this one. So where here L indicates a lower boundary. Lower boundary of a median class. L indicates a lower boundary of a median class. And here next one is what here N is there. N indicates a number of observations. Number of observations. Then next one is about CF. CF indicates a cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of a class preceding the median class. Preceding the median class. So CF indicates a cumulative frequency of a class preceding median class. So frequency before, preceding means what? Before one. Okay. CF indicates a cumulative frequency of a class preceding median class. Then how will you find the CF means we had to add the frequencies. Add the frequencies from top to bottom. So we had to add the frequencies from top to bottom. Then what you will get here? CF means a cumulative frequency you will get. Okay. Then what is there here? F. F indicates a frequency. Frequency of a median class. Frequency of median class. And the last one, what is there here? H. H indicates a class size. Class size or a size of the median class. So how will you get H means by subtracting the upper limit, upper boundary minus lower boundary, you will get the H. Lower boundary, number of observations, cumulative frequency and frequency and the class size. These are the terms of the median. Okay, by taking one question we will solve. Okay, so to find the median we have two methods. So first one is about the missing frequency and second is a direct question. So first we will observe here missing frequency. Okay, given question as if the median of 60 observation given below is at 28.5, that means he given a median given as 28.5 and a number of observations given as 60. Then what do you have to find? We have to find the values of x and y. Okay, so class intervals and frequency. Here I am considering as a CF. CF indicates what? Cumulative frequency. CF indicates here cumulative frequency. So how will you get the CF means we had to add the frequencies from top to bottom. Yes. So first frequency I am writing as is 5. Then I am adding the next frequency. Then what it becomes 5 plus x. 5 plus x. Then next I am adding 5 plus x to the next frequency. Then 20 plus 5 becomes 25 plus x. Next one I am adding next frequency. 25 plus 15 is how much? 40. 40 plus x. Next here what is there here? Variable is there here? Y is there. Then 40 plus x plus y. Just I am adding one by one frequencies here. Then constant what is there here? 5. 40 plus 5. 45. 45 plus x plus y. So the first step is we had to find the cumulative frequency. So how will you find means by adding the frequencies from top to bottom we got. But in the question he mentioned what he mentioned how many observations there here? 60 is there and the mean given as 28.5. So first of all we will write the formula. So what is the formula of median? So right here median. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H is the formula of the median. Okay. So, but in the question given number of observations is 60 given. So, but how much we got here? 45 plus x plus 5 given n equals to 60. But when we added CF we got 45 plus x plus 5. So, just I am equating to the number of observations. Then what will happen here? 45 plus x plus y is equals to total observations is there here 60. This implies what will happen here? X plus y equals to 60. If you transpose plus 45 becomes minus 45. This implies x plus y equals to 60 minus 45 how much? 50. This one I am considering as equation number 1. 45 plus x plus y means in the place of x and y, if you replace 15, then 45 plus 15 becomes total 60. Yes. So we had to get x and y. If you add means you have to get 15. Okay. Now in the question he mentioned as the median. How much median? Median given as 28.5. Now come to the class intervals. 28.5 where it lies? Yes, between 20 and 30. Between 20 and 30. This one I am taking as a box. Because median 28.5 lies between 20 and 30. Yes. So in this I am considering this is, we know this is a lower boundary, this is a upper boundary. Okay. So here what is the lower boundary? First we had to know about the value of L. L value how much we had to know? Now how much we got here? L value is 20. L is equals to 20. That indicates a lower boundary. N by 2. N by 2. So n value, number of observations given as the question 60. 60 by 2 means how much? We'll get 30 here. Yes, we got L and n by 2. Next we had to know about CF. CF indicates a cumulative frequency of frequency preceding the median class. Preceding the median class. So here this 20 indicates a lower bound opposite. This is 20 indicates a frequency, nothing but a F. 20 indicates a frequency and it's a preceding one. So its opposite preceding one indicates the CF. Cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. This is what CF. Now CF is equal to how much here? 5 plus x and frequency how much is there here? 20. And we got CF and F. Now we have to know about H. H indicates what? Class size. How will you get the class size? By doing upper boundary minus lower boundary. 10 minus 0 is 10 or 50 minus 40 10. So the difference between the class intervals how much is it? 10. So now we got each and every term in the formula. Just I am replacing here. Now I am replacing in the formula. Okay. So now check it here carefully here everyone. Now check it carefully everyone here. So again I am writing the formula here. So formula median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now mentioning everything see here carefully. Median how much is there here? 28.5 is equals to L. Lower boundary how much we got here? 20 plus n by 2. N by 2 means how much you got here? 30 minus CF how much is there here? 5 plus x minus of 5 plus x by F. F is a frequency. How much we got here? 20 into H is how much is there here? 10. Just I replaced all the values in the formula. Okay. Now check it carefully here. If you transpose the plus becomes what here? Minus. So 28.5 minus 20 is equals to 30 minus to plus minus 5 minus to plus minus x by 20 into 10. Yes. Now 28.5 minus 20 is how much here? 8.5 is equals to 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x by 20 into 10. So just I'm doing calculation 10 ones 10 twos. So here do cross multiplication. 8.5 times of 2. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 is equals to 25 minus x. This implies x is equals to transpose minus becomes plus 25. Separate the constant minus 17. This implies x is equals to 25 minus 17 how much? 8. So we got x value how much here? 8. So we got the x value. Now we had to know about the value of y. From equation 1. From equation what is the value? X plus y equals to 15. From equation 1 x plus y is equals to 15. We already got x is how much here? 8. Just I am replacing in equation 1. Then 8 plus y is equals to 15. Then y equals to 15 minus 8. Then y is equals to 15 minus 8, how much? 7. So we got x equals to 8, y equals to 7. So if you add these two, x plus y, 8 plus 1 is equals to 15. We got. Then 15 plus 45 is 60. Yes, sir, we got the answer equal. So this is a very, very important question, which is a missing frequency. It's a missing frequency. Just you have to find the CF first. Then you have to locate each and every term in the formula. Just I am replacing. We got the values of x and y. Okay, this is the first method. This is the second method about the direct one. First one is about the missing one. Second one is the direct one. So the question is given as the distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. So class intervals and frequency. So the first thing we had to find the CF. And we know how to find a CF means we had to add the frequencies from top to bottom. So first frequency I am writing as it is, means 2 I am writing as it is. Then we had to add the frequency to the next one. How much is it? 2, and 2 plus 3 becomes 5, and 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 6 25. 25 plus 3 28, and 28 plus 2 is 30. So we got n value, how much we got? N equals here 30. Okay, so nothing but number of observations we got here 30. Okay, now we'll write a formula. You know, median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now we'll indicate each and every term here. Okay, so first of all we had to know the value of a lower boundary. We had to know about the value of a lower boundary. So first what is the median weight we got here? So n equals to 30. Now this implies n by 2. N by 2 indicates how much? 30 by 2 equals to 15. So now go for the 15th observation, nothing but a frequency 2, 5, 13, 19 is there. But we know 15 will come after 13, right? So I am taking 19 observations, 19th one as a data. I'm pressing a box here, 19. So we don't have here 15. So we know 15 comes after 13. So I'm guessing next one is as a 19. So I took a box here. Now coming to here. So we know this is a lower boundary and it is a upper boundary. So L value. So L value lower boundary, how much we can indicate here? 55. So L indicating as 55. We got the lower boundary. Then n by 2. N by 2 means how much we got already here? 15. N by 2 value is 15. Okay. Then we had to know about the CF. CF indicates cumulative frequency. So how will you get a cumulative frequency? Means cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Class preceding the median class. So CF is a, it's a preceding one. How much is it here? 15. So CF equals to 15. So frequency of the class preceding means what? Before one. So 19 before what is it here? 13. And coming to the frequency. So this is CF. Now coming to frequency. So what is the frequency we got here? 6. Frequency I am mentioning as 6. So with respect to the frequency, nothing but a lower boundary, we got the F and CF. So this is a F and its a preceding is what? CF. We got. And we had to know about last one is about H. H indicates what? Class size. Nothing but difference between the upper boundary and the lower boundary. 45 minus 40 is 5. Or 75 minus 70 also 5. H value is, we got 5. Now just simply replace all the values in the formula. Then median is equals to L value, how much is there here? 55 plus n by 2 value, how much we got here? 15. So this is n by 2 value. Minus CF is, how much we got CF? 13. CF we got here 13, right? Sorry. This is CF 13. 13 by F. F we got 6 into 5. Now 55 plus 15 minus 13 is 2. 2 by 6 into 5. This is equals to 55 plus 2 5s 10. 10 by 6. Then 55 plus, just I'm doing division here, 6. 10 with 6, 6 ones, 6 subtraction, 10 minus 6 is 4, decimal point 0. And again 6 6 is 36, subtraction minus means again 4, point means 0, again 6 6 is, so 1.6 approximately I'm considering here, 1.66. Then 55 plus 1 is 56, 56.66 kgs as the median of the data. Yes, so this is a direct question, just to measure the each and every term and just to replace the formula. Okay, this is a direct question, and first one method is about the missing frequency. Okay, so this is about the second process, nothing but median for ungrouped data and grouped data. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you so much.